Hello, everyone. We are the ATI team, and we created an AI that can identify endangered marine species. Our team consists of myself, Preston, Ryan, Satyam, Martin, Nash, William, and our instructor, Dhruv.
So why did we make this project? We knew from the start that we wanted to make a project that will ultimately help other people and the environment. We bounced between ideas until we decided on making an AI detector for endangered fish species. More specifically, we chose sharks, sea otters, sea turtles, blue whales, and dolphins. The application of this project would be to deploy this model on an underwater camera for marine biologists or even fishermen to let them know if an endangered species was present. We hope this will increase the awareness of these endangered species and help increase their population by tracking their count and location. Ultimately, the reason we chose this project was we thought it would be a great way to learn AI and help the environment.
So how do we get our data? We started by searching up images of the marine animals we were interested in on search engines such as Google and Bing Images, and also we were able to find some on GitHub. Then we downloaded and checked all of our images for faulty data that ranged from blurred images to unrealistic drawings of those animals. After that, we labeled all of our images in Label Box and made sure once again that all of our data were valid for training.
At the start of the camp, Drew first taught us the basics of Python to prepare us for coding our project. We picked our topic, and later throughout the week, we gathered images on Google, Bing, and GitHub. At the end of week 1 and throughout the beginning of week 2, we began labeling and cleaning out poor resolution or duplicate images using Label Box. The rest of week 2 was mainly used to split into groups and work together to complete and tune parts of the code. By the end of Friday, we completed the project with high accuracy. After completing the project, we dove into web development to showcase our project. We used Figma to put together the front end of our website and Flask to create the back end.
This was probably the most scariest and exciting part of the project. After training our model, we evaluated it on some images that the model hasn't seen before, and we generated what is known as a confusion matrix, which compares our model's predictions or the predicted labels to the true labels. Looking at our confusion matrix, we can say that our model is pretty accurate based on the high percentage of correctly labeled images. Our model was able to correctly classify our dolphin friends on the left.
Some problems we ran into included no identification, such as when our confusion matrix gave a lot of no detection labels. This was due to some bugs in the code which we fixed. Another issue was having some trouble with data, as we unintentionally collected a lot of bad data and thus we had to reorganize all of our data. Lastly, we had some Flask errors, such as routing issues where the system had trouble redirecting pages. Overall, we learned how to work together as a team by building a real-world product together, the basics of AI and Python through a real-world application, how data is crucial to AI and how to effectively collect it, and lastly, how to use the internet as a resource. Our website is listed below.
Now we will do a small demo of our project. When we go to our website, we are greeted by the homepage. And on the homepage, we include a small blurb about our project, and we talk about our team and the resources we use to create it. From the homepage, we can either use the nav bar to go to the overview or click on Learn More. In the Learn More section, we talk more about our project and how we hope it'll benefit the ecosystem and the effect we intended to have. We can also look at our timeline, which gives an overview of all 3 weeks that we spent at AI Camp and what we did each week. Now we can actually test our model. If we go to Home, we can click on Try It Now. When we click on Try It Now, it opens our computer's Finder tab, and then we can choose an image. So let's say we choose this image of sharks. These are a bunch of sharks, so we can try this out. The model will essentially run through this and give us our results. So you can see it was able to find all the sharks that were clearly visible, and it has a very high confidence level for all of them. And yeah, and if we scroll below, we have more information about our model, how many images we used, and our confusion matrix again to show our accuracy. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we'd love to answer any questions.
A round of applause first, of course, right? I want to try a golden retriever. Is that fine?
Sure. In her model, we don't have golden retriever, but we can try it if you
Yeah,
want.
let's try it. Why don't you do a Google search for golden retriever and let's try it. I'm just kind of curious of what's gonna happen.
My guess is gonna probably like detect some animal really badly.
All right, let's choose. Can we choose the fifth one? The fifth one?
This one.
No, the one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Anyone who's also curious about this?
There seems to be like
Yeah.
On a dolphin in this case?
Yeah.
Confidence level 99%.
I don't
Right,
know
so-
why it thinks that.
So this one's wait, why this is a dolphin?
I don't know. It's probably looking at the shape, like the arc shape, and I'm guessing
Right.
that's wrong.
Right. Okay, I'm not trying to deliberately, throw you guys off the track, but that presentation was so smooth though. It was so smooth. You guys, how many times you guys rehearsed this? It was incredible.
Like twice.
Yeah, that was incredible. It was a great presentation. Yeah,
Thank you.
awesome.